today we're gonna make a sandwich using the clay. Alright, so let's get started. We're gonna make a wet cheese sandwich using the clay. We have different colors of clay. We'll take the beige color, the brown color, the red color, the green one, and the lemon yellow. So we have these 5 colors of clay to make our sandwich. And these tools: a roller, big cutter, small cutter, roller cutter, zigzag cutter, and the rolling pin. Now let's make our sandwich. So first we're gonna take the beige color clay and the brown color clay. We're gonna use them to make the bread slices. So we're gonna take the beige clay first, and with the help of a knife, let's cut it into 2. Press it well and spread it out using a rolling pin. Spread it well. Alright, so we'll cut the slice using the rolling cutter, and we'll smooth out the edges. With the other part, we'll do the similar thing. We'll spread it out with the rolling pin. Cut with a knife to make the shape. We can use our hands to spread it more. One side is rounded and the other one straight. Alright, so we have 2 slices of bread. This one's bigger, so let's cut it out to make them equal size. And now, we're gonna make the crumb for the side of the bread, which is darker in color. So let's take the brown clay. Roll it with a roller. You can also use the rolling pin if you're more comfortable. Spread it well. Alright. So now, with the help of the knife, we're going to cut out a strip like this. This strip, we can cut more strips like this because we need to cover 2 slices of bread. Let's clean the tabletop so that the clay doesn't stick on it. Now let's take the bread slice and place the crumb around it, all the sides. Cut the extra part. can pierce some dots on it so that it gives it a natural look. Like this. The bread piece is ready now. We're gonna do the same for the next one. I think the crumb strip is gonna be short, so we're gonna cut some more from the brown clay. Let's keep this aside and put the crumb strip around the second piece. Like this. Cut out the extra, use the other strip. Well, we pierce this slice with a knife too. So 2 bread slices are ready. Now we're gonna make the tomato pieces using the red clay. So we'll cut the slices using the knife. Let's take 2 small pieces. Press it with the fingers and roll it. Now, using the rolling pin, let's spread them out. Make sure it's round like tomato. Using the knife, we're gonna make the pattern of the inside of the tomato. Similarly, we'll make the pattern of the inside of the tomato on the second one too. And let's place them on this slice of bread. Let's take the yellow clay now. For the cheese, I've already created a cheese slice, which is square. We'll poke some holes on it to give it a texture. We'll place it on the bread slice like this. Let's keep it aside. And now, let's take some green clay and we're gonna make some green lettuce. So we have the green color clay. We take a chunk out, another chunk. We'll spread the 2 chunks out using the rolling pin. We're going to use the zigzag cutter for the pattern on the edge of the lettuce. Like this. We're gonna fold the lettuce like this. And we'll place it on the cheese. I really like crunchy lettuce in my sandwich. Let's make one more lettuce piece. So we take the green clay, spread it with a rolling pin, and with the zigzag cutter, make the pattern on the edge, like this. And we're gonna put another one, peeping out from the sandwich. Our yummy sandwich is ready! If we want to garnish it, we can take a small chunk of the red clay, roll it on the tabletop, like this. And make a smiley. Let's assume it's ketchup. Yay! The yummy sandwich is ready now. Have a happy meal. Yay! Smiley sandwich. So today we're gonna play the magic show and learn a few tricks of magic through the classical magic show. Let's see what's inside. This is the instruction book. These are the magic cards. These are some more magic cards with numbers inside. And this is a calculation wonder. And this is the magical cone. The whirling compass. And these are the dice. And this is a rope. This is the magic wand. These are the 3 tumblers. We can call them cups. In this packet, we have 4 balls, 2 coins, and 3 rabbits. And these are smaller cups. And this is the magic bat. So these are the props that we're going to use to learn the magic tricks. Now we will learn 81 magic tricks using these props. So for the first trick, I'm going to pick up the wand. The magic wand. So I have this magic wand and I'm going to show you a magic with this. You can see the wand is clean and clear from all the sides. There's nothing attached to it. There's nothing on the wand. Oops. And my hands are clean too, from both the sides, you see? Alright, so now I'm gonna show you the magic trick, okay? So here we go. Let's do the magic. Abracadabra. the spell of the wand. And here goes the magical wand. And the wand stuck to the fingers. It's floating now. You see, it's not coming off. You see? It's floating. Alright. So now let me show you what happened. Time to reveal the magic. Let me show you how I did it. Alright. So while I showed you the wand in my hands, there was nothing on the wand and nothing on my hands. But then I took my hands out and then I had sneaked a double-sided sellotape on my fingers here. And this is a double-sided tape, which means on one side it sticks on my fingers, and when I place it on the wand, the other side sticks to the wand. So the tape is gonna stick on the wand like this, you see? It is stuck on the sellotape. Like this, you see? It appears as if the wand is floating. Let's have a look at it like this and like this. But we only show this side to the viewers. We don't turn it around because our secret will be revealed. And we don't want that to happen, right? Unless they actually see, the viewers wouldn't know that we have sellotape between the fingers and the wand. Alright, let's take it off. You can try it with your friends and have fun. See you later.